What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video on this, my ADZ28. As you can see, I finally got concrete in here, so I can do more work now. So today's video, we're going to get straight to it. It needs little ball joints. Because I found out on the passenger side, if you move the wheel at the bottom, that ain't good. And that's unsafe. Also, quick update on the car. It's got the full stripe kit back on it. I did put the air induction factory sticker on the 4-inch cowl. I like it. It gives it a factory look even on the engine. The hood isn't factory. I had to put a new 830 HP double pumper on it. I can't believe how pricey these things are now. $1,000 for that carburetor. If I saved up a little more, I could have put fuel injection on it, but it's already set up for carburetor and I've got it dialed in just great. It fires right up. I did add more time to it, 34 degrees. It fires right off the key instead of having to pump it. But yeah, so we're going to get started by jacking this thing up in the air. And ball joints are very simple. Remember, this is a coil spring front suspension. It's not a strut. So they are under pressure. And if they pop, you will get hurt. And I'll show you guys how I do them. I do it the safest way I can. I see people put jacks into the lower control arm. And that's what I'm going to be fighting with. I'm going to put a jack and a jack stand as a safety, and I got the master ball joint kit that my friends let me borrow. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I want to see more of these secondaries with big blocks in them. I'll see you guys when I get ready to do the ball joint. Alright, guys, so obviously I got the thing jacked up as high as I could. I did disassemble all this without it being on camera, so I could just get to it. But, other words, 9/16 on both sides. The tie rod nut being 11/16. I forget what Allen key those were, so forgive me. But other than that, everything's going smoothly. It still has good drag. Yeah, the reason why I'm changing it, you shouldn't be able to do that. It's all beat to hell, man. So, other than that, that's how far I'm going to get right now. I do got the brake caliper hanging up right now. And this should help, because when I hit a bump, it grabbed one side real fast. But other than that, guys, this is the update. I'll bring you guys back around before I pop that lower ball joint out of the control arm. Obviously, what you're going to want to do here is either put a jack onto here or under the control arm, or a jack stand. I see people do both. I'm going to do a jack stand, so when it is, I don't have to worry about it wanting to shoot down. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, guys, so currently I got the spindle off as one whole assembly. Upper ball joint came out. I had to use a nut breaker on that lower ball joint nut because it kept spinning and I got it free. So this is how you got it set up right now. Gotta find a wrench that fix it. I'm gonna cup that fix up and gets in here like that does, and it's sliding onto that. And simple as that, it should pop it right out. As you can see, that's how I got it set up to pop it out. And watch it. It's coming out. I ain't no fancy YouTuber. Not knocking those guys. They got some good content. Like I said, I just spent a lot getting concrete in here. There it goes. Look at that. It's out. I'm about to put the upper one in. Find a cup that fits above this one. It's going in there pretty straight. Well, obviously this part isn't. But I probably didn't need a lower. Glad somebody's already placed them, because they're bolted in and not riveted in, which is going to make my life a lot easier. But oh my god. Yeah, so I'll finish this up. Like I said, that's how you set it up when you go to reinstall it. And make sure it's going in nice and straight all the way around. And it's simple as that, guys. Alright, guys, I got this side back together. There's no play in this side anymore. I'm gonna go check the other side out. Other than that, it's going by real smoothly. If you have the right tools, you can do this at home. Because I was quoted $500 to do all this. I said, nah, I'll do it myself. But not bad. About to put this tire back on, see how it feels with the tire plate on it, so I can compare it to the other side if I gotta do that side or not. All right, guys, so I got it back down on the ground. I didn't need to do that side because it's still nice and tight. They get the side back together. Everything's good. I'll take it on a test drive, and damn, this thing's dirty. Like I said in the earlier of the video, the air induction on that. I don't know if you saw me put the new grill emblem on. It's got the full stripe kit back on it. So other than that, we're going good. We're going to fire this thing up. It is cold outside, so it might take a while. Cold fucking blooded. Big ham. Good old pressure. Not bad for a test drive. So far, so good. Not bad. Thing drives straight. Nice and tight. Damn, I did a good job. Alright guys, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I don't really have much to do on this car. I am gonna start racing it again. And I'm having fun with it. It's been 6 months since my dad's passed away, and I often think when I'm working on this thing where I'm out having fun in it, I wish he was here with me. But that's life. You wish things could be different. Other than that, hopefully I get more videos coming out soon, but winter's coming, and there's the door pins on that, because it's sagging just a little bit, but I notice it, and it annoys me. After putting the stripe kit on, you can see where the original stripes were, or they are the original stripes, where it's dropped just a little bit, you can notice it. But other than that, this big block's running freaking great, especially that new 830 double pumper on it. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell me what you guys want to see more of. Do you want to see another car on the channel that might do a build series? This one was around way before I started YouTube, so yeah. But hope you guys liked the video.